make a Toca video. Oh, this is what happens when I make a Toca video. I'm not gonna play the intro because I'm so scared it won't install and I don't know. I don't know what to say. This is my first time I downloaded it on my phone, but I'm so excited to download it on my tablet. See the video. Great characters. What's outfits and accessories? Design houses. Wow, that sounds like fun. Add tons of unique characters. Expand your world. OMG, you can buy stuff. Oh my. Oh yeah, so that's what he has in-app purchases, he said. What is this tag for? Do you know what tag is for? Oh, it says, what is it for family? Okay. Onto this. Please download it. Please. Okay, I'll make it. Oh my! I came back, everyone. Look, and it's almost done. It's downloading. Yay! Finally! Finally! I waited for so long. What? How can it not? In reality, I think I still have to play Battle Cats. I don't know. What just happened? How could I not install? Wait. Do I have any space? It's not showing the error with any space. It's going so laggy. Okay, please show me Battle Cats. No, please. Please give me Battle Cats. No. If you please, if you're not gonna make it like crazy, like laggy, I'll flash you in Apache. I'll smash you in Apache. Good night. Oh. Okay, so sweetie worker. What is this? No. Wait, let me get the cats first. What can I cannot I don't know how to update a game. I need to ask my cousin. Oh, I need to get space. Okay, right here. Jamaki. Still we speed up. And I don't need math because math's very hard. No. My cats are very bad. I don't know why. Last time I can win. I cannot win now. My mommy doesn't want me playing it, but I'm just making secret. Do I don't want to play Battle Cats anymore? I want to play something else. I'm gonna play spin the wheel. I don't know. Okay. Wait. Oh, I see how it's not working. I cannot make a video while installing. It should be laggy. Okay, that's the answer. The Bye-bye.